Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're tackling a massive question about the rules of war.
So, is it? Well, the short answer under international law is yeah, pretty much.
It all goes back to the UN Charter, which lays down a general ban on using force.
This right here is Article 2.4. It's the absolute cornerstone of modern international law on conflict.
And these notes really break it down. Force is a no-go, but there are exceptions.
And this ban is really broad. It covers wars of aggression, messing with borders, even reprisals.
Okay, so the rule is clear, but there are two very specific legal exceptions to it.
Exception number 1 is self-defense. This is the one you've probably heard of. But it's not a free-for-all. As you can see here, there are some pretty strict conditions. First, there has to be an actual armed attack. Plus, you have to report it immediately.
And even then, your response has to pass two more crucial tests.
Yep, necessity and proportionality. These ideas actually come from a really old case, but are still key.
So you see the difference, right? It's a response, not striking first or getting revenge.
All right, let's look at the second exception. This one involves the whole international community.
This is all about getting the green light from the UN Security Council to use force.
And they have a process. First, they identify a threat. Then they decide what to do.
And this is huge. When the Council makes a call like this, all UN members have to follow it.
So to recap, here's the whole framework. One big rule and two very specific exceptions.
Just two. Remember that. There are only two widely accepted legal justifications for using force.
This whole system was set up after World War II to stop countries from just going rogue.
And this was a massive shift. It wasn't just about banning war, but even threatening it. Which leads to the big question for us today. How do these old rules handle new threats?